Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Apple CarPlay is probably one of the most exciting upgrades you can make to your car's infotainment system. It seamlessly integrates your iPhone with your car's display, offering a safer and more convenient way to access navigation, music, and communication features. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Apple CarPlay, exploring its features, benefits, and how to choose the perfect double-din head unit for your vehicle. Number 5. Boss BVCP 9700A, CarPlay, Android Auto, 7 touchscreen car stereo. Introducing the Boss BVCP 9700A, a car stereo designed to enhance your driving experience. It seamlessly integrates with your smartphone, offering a range of features for convenience and entertainment. With Apple CarPlay, access your iPhone's features effortlessly. Use Siri voice control or the touchscreen to manage calls, music, maps, and messages. It's designed to keep you connected safely on the road. Enjoy hands-free calling and wireless music streaming via Bluetooth. Siri acts as your personal DJ, letting you play music from apps like Spotify and Pandora. This makes it easy to stay connected and entertained. Android Auto brings the power of Google Assistant to your car. Get real-time alerts, make calls, and manage your messages while keeping your hands on the wheel. It's a smart and safe way to navigate and communicate. The BVCP 9700A offers multiple inputs including USB, SD, and camera inputs. It also features steering wheel control compatibility. You can connect various devices and customize your audio setup with ease. Boss Audio Systems provides a 3-year warranty when purchased through Amazon. Professional installation is recommended to ensure the product functions correctly and safely. This ensures you get the most out of your new car stereo. What we like. This unit offers seamless integration with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it incredibly versatile. It also comes with a solid 3-year warranty, providing peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich system with extensive input options, this is the one for you. What people say. Wireless or wired Apple CarPlay, I love it so much. All the features that come with Apple CarPlay. Music, navigation, etc., I mostly just use it for Spotify. Wired Apple CarPlay works well. Very responsive. I had no issues with it connecting and staying connected. Number 4. 7 double-din car stereo with dash cam. Tired of tangled wires? This car stereo seamlessly integrates with your smartphone. It automatically connects to CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you instant access to your messages, music, and navigation. Experience superior sound quality. This receiver supports multiple audio outputs, including subwoofer output, perfect for music lovers. It delivers a powerful and immersive audio experience in your car. Stay connected with the latest Bluetooth technology. It offers a stable and clear connection for streaming music and making calls. The built-in microphone ensures clear calls and safer driving with voice control. Enjoy a stunning visual experience with the QLED HD screen. It supports mirror link function for both iOS and Android phones. The physical buttons and rotating volume control make it easy to use while driving. This car stereo comes with a built-in dash cam. It captures Ultra HD video with a wide-angle lens, and the loop recording function ensures you never miss a moment. A microSD card is needed to save the videos. Enhance your parking safety with the included backup camera. It provides a clear view when reversing, with a wide viewing angle and waterproof design. This helps you park more safely and easily. Before purchasing, please measure your dashboard opening size. Ensure it matches one of the compatible sizes for a perfect fit. If it doesn't fit, you may need an additional dash kit. What we like. This car stereo boasts wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, eliminating the need for messy cables. The QLED HD screen provides a vibrant display, and the built-in dash cam adds an extra layer of safety. If you value a clean setup and want to record your drives, it's a great choice. What people say. Everything worked straight out of the box that came with the kit. Works with Android Auto and CarPlay with no fuss. Sound quality is pretty good for the price point. Number 3. Upgrade wireless 7 CarPlay Android Auto car radio. Tired of messy cables? This car radio wirelessly connects to your phone. It seamlessly integrates with your car, giving you access to messages, music, and navigation. Experience outstanding sound quality with this radio's 4.2-channel output. It supports aftermarket amplifiers and subwoofers, delivering breathtaking bass effects. You'll enjoy music like never before. Enjoy clearer calls and faster connections with the upgraded Bluetooth. The built-in microphone ensures your voice commands are accurate, keeping your focus on the road. It reduces static noise for better audio. Mirror your phone's screen with ease using the USB connection. The 7-inch HD touchscreen displays Google Maps, Spotify, and more. Physical buttons and a rotating volume control make it easy to use. This car radio includes a night vision backup camera for safer parking. It automatically displays the image when you shift into reverse. The wide viewing angle and waterproof design provide added safety. Before you buy, make sure this radio fits your car. Check the dimensions provided to ensure a proper fit. If it doesn't fit, you may need an additional dash kit. What we like. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, this unit offers a clutter-free experience. The powerful 240W 4.2-channel audio output ensures excellent sound quality. If you are a music lover and want a premium audio experience, this one is perfect for you. What people say. Apple CarPlay works flawless and is Bluetooth. No need to connect via USB. So far the functionality has been flawless. It offers about 90% of the functionality you'll need, including front and rear camera capabilities, radio, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Sound quality was exceptionally crisp, noticeably better than my factory head unit. Number 2. PLZ7 Wireless Double-DIN Car Stereo. This car stereo offers seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It allows you to stay connected effortlessly. You can manage calls, messages, music, and navigation with voice control. The QLED screen features advanced quantum dot technology for enhanced color accuracy and brightness. It supports 1920 by 1080 resolution. The wide viewing angle and anti-glare coating ensure the display remains sharp in any lighting condition. Experience exceptional sound quality with the upgraded audio amplifier chip and DSP. The system offers 240W total output, including 2 subwoofer outputs, and a 10-band EQ. You can customize your audio for the ultimate in-car entertainment. This stereo features a fast charging port for quick power-ups. There is also a rear USB port that supports wired AirPlay or USB disc media playback. The hidden cable management ensures a clean look. This stereo system supports steering wheel controls via an optional SWC interface. You can effortlessly manage your audio and navigation functions without taking your hands off the wheel. This ensures a safer and more convenient driving experience. What we like. This stereo features wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for easy smartphone integration. The QLED display provides a clear and vibrant interface, and the DSP and amplifier chip enhance audio quality. If you want a system with great sound and a beautiful display, it's a fantastic option. What people say. Great sound, crystal clear screen, fit the double-DIN space so perfectly the supplied trim options weren't needed. It boots up within seconds and connects to CarPlay within tens. Display is clear and crisp. Number 1. Double-DIN 10 touchscreen car stereo with CarPlay. Upgrade your driving experience with this smart car stereo. It's compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to access your phone's apps directly on the screen. Enjoy a bigger and better view with the 10-inch high-resolution screen. You can mirror your phone's display using Bluetooth for a more enjoyable ride. This stereo is equipped with USB for music and movies. Bluetooth connectivity allows for hands-free calling and wireless music streaming from your smartphone. It delivers an amazing experience for entertainment. It comes with a complimentary waterproof, wide-angle backup camera. It also supports AM/FM radio and steering wheel controls, making your ride safer and more fun. The new mounting design fits perfectly with aftermarket dash kits. We also offer 7/24 after-sales technical support to help you with any installation or operational issues. What we like. This car stereo offers both CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, turning your dashboard into a mobile command center. The large 10-inch touchscreen provides an immersive experience, and the included backup camera adds safety. If you want a large screen and easy smartphone integration, it's a great choice. What people say. Android Auto, it only works out of the box wired, but connection is fast, normally boots up within 2 seconds or so. Screen responsiveness and quality, fairly quick for the price, dealt with plenty of name brand touch screens that were lesser quality than this. Everything works as it should. Sound, buttons, screen, it's all great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.